Hello everyone. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe the button in the below this video. It will be encouraging me to provide more videos and nice analysis for you. Welcome. Today I am going to present you the video about Perceptron. So Perceptron is an algorithm which is used for classification. Earlier also I have showed you a certain classification algorithm. Now this one is little bit different to that algorithm. I will present you some of the references regarding this Perceptron and some of the videos regarding with the classification. And I also give you a medium link which has the consolidation of all the links so that it will not be a cluttered like a YouTube video, and you can easily have a consolidated view in the medium. Now coming to Perceptron. So Perceptron, we are in this demo we are using TANH. So in this TANH technique we will have the y values as y1 and minus y1 so that we can calculate a simple chaos entropy as y into wt of x plus b. So I will show you a demo. So here the Perceptron algorithm, you can see I have loaded the libraries, and these libraries and I have using sklearn. In the sklearn you can see I have loaded the iris data. In the iris data I have dividing the iris data into x and y. In this you can see the y values for the after 50th row is 1, and the y value for the above 50 and 50th row are 0. If I change this, you can see here, see this is 0. So what I'm trying to do is I'm plotting a graph. So in this graph you can see I have two dimensions. So first 50 rows, the first column is the first dimension, and the first 50 rows for the second column is the second dimensions for class 0, and the next 50 rows of first column for the first is the this x axis, and the first next 50 columns to 99th column, the second column is the y axis. I'm considering them as the first class 1. Now here instead of using 0 and 1, if we use 0 and 1 and continue with Perceptron algorithm, the training algorithm will be little bit different. Here we use y into 1 minus y plus the long algorithm which is there in the references. To have a simplistic algorithm, what we do is we will convert the zeros into minus 1. After converting zeros into minus 1, you can see here I am initializing a model. I am initializing model with minus 1 and 1, and I am having a bias as 1, a learning rate as 0.1, and I am counting number of rows. I am checking whether all rows are correctly, all the data points are correctly classified. If you see this, when I plot with the initial model, it will come up like this, and you see the data points should be classified by this model. Currently it is not classified the model. So models, if you data points which are not accurately classified by the model, so we keep updating the model by considering it as a misclassification. If you see this, so for all the shapes, so until we get all the correct until we get the correct model, what we are doing is we are iterating to each and every data point, and each data point we are checking whether the data point is correctly classified this model. If not, it will give you the negative value. When it gives the negative value, we are taking the learning rate and we are applying this algorithm dot product of x's and yy, and then we are appending to model. And similarly we are doing with bias. If you don't use the bias, it means model tries to come from the origin, which sometimes is not correct. So bias is nothing but the y-intercept. So here, for sake of to calculate the bias, so we are including in this learning training algorithm. So in the end you can see the model has come up as 7.99 minus 10.07. You see it's a negative. So negative means the slope will come in this direction. Initially when you took positive slope 1 comma 1, you can see the slope in other direction. Now we got the proper direction along with the proper y-intercept, and you can see this, the data points are correctly classified. With this model, with the help of this model, any new input value, we can classify whether given input is a particular class. So this helps with the help of Perceptron. So this helps for the classification of the problem. And since I'm organizing several links under YouTube, so I came up with an idea. So earlier, if you know, I have given this eigenfaces demo. So what I did is I have consolidated all this information in Medium. If you see in Medium, so I will be giving this link below the YouTube channel. So there you can come into this link. So for Perceptron algorithm also, I will come up with such a kind of a nice page so that you can view this demo in English, Hindi and Telugu, and also you can view that demo in the same page instead of keep visiting the GitHub page. So this will give you nice idea about how to execute a machine learning algorithm. And in the below also I given certain reference link, and also I gave you some of the links which I have got this information. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Bye.